Hello everyone, it's me Shubhangi Srivastava. So as you have noticed the thumbnail, today we are going to make an login screens. I am just here to tell you how to make a very simple login screens with the use of if loop only. So let's get started. So just open the code.org website. ओके जस्ट वेबसाइट को जो है ओपन करना है हमेशा ही तब मेरा पहले ही साइन इन है यू कैन जस्ट sign it very easily. Here you will get the sign in option, click on it, continue with Google and just open the app lab here. Okay, and after opening the app lab just rename your project as the login screen project. Just rename it as the login screen project, and after that what we are needed today is लॉगिन स्क्रीन के लिए जो है पहले तो एक लॉगिन का इमेज चाहिए। तो पहले तो मैं एक इमेज लूँगी। आई विल जस्ट टेक दिस इमेज वन फ्रॉम द डिज़ाइन एंड आई विल जस्ट पुट पुट इट इन माई प्ले एरिया। सो मेरे पास जो पिक्चर है मैं उससे जो है आई जस्ट कॉपी दैट लिंक एंड इफ़ यू वांट देन यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड इट एट द गूगल. Okay, so I think it's coming. Yeah. So I'm just going to tell you how to find it. So just go to the google.com. Okay, and after that just type their member login screens. Oh, sorry, member login screens. Then you can see how many login screens you are getting. Just took up anything you want, and if you want, then I can give this image. And if you are needed this image only, then you can just tell me at Discord channel. I will just give you there. Okay, so as I already chosen it. Okay, so now see, पहले तो ये जो है I just need to decrease something, but because I think it's looking not nicely, so I'm just going to going at fit image and just put the another one. Yeah, and you can see because there if I am putting it like a contain, then you can see don't have an account sign in is coming. That's why I'm just putting the none one. And after that, what you are needed to do is see here in the text input, just to go in, just you can text input, put it right like this. Okay, and just give it a size. Okay, and after that just make everything of it transparent so that the user don't know that if it's not okay, because with the color it will not look nice. That's why I am just making it transparent, and I by mistake once again I just put it the text color transparent. So just put the border color by transparent and just copy this. So you are just needed to duplicate it. एंड थोड़ा सा जो है कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है because we just need to see if the size is okay and everything is okay or not. That's why I'm just going to put the color and see. Okay, so I think it's fitting. So let me put it now like, yeah, I have just put it at transparent, and after that just take an label of incorrect password and all. ओके, सो हम लोग जो है इसे हाइड करेंगे. ओके, सो सी इनकरेक्ट ईमेल आईडी और पासवर्ड, या फिर इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी ऑफ द आईडी देन यू कैन पुट इट नॉट, it's not compulsory to put this only. Okay, so just put it right down here or anywhere if you want. Okay, and after that just we just need to create the welcome screen. Okay, so when the user will put his all information, then he will go on to the screen. So here I have just using welcome gif. So I am, so you can also go to the Google. I'm just copying about that image, and after that I'm just going here link to image, and this I'm putting it like this. Okay, and if you want that how to put it, then just go to the Google, type the welcome gif, as I have already got it in the search tab. Okay, so I have just clicked on it and you have to just enter it. Due to my worst network connection, it's just taking some time It's just taking some time to load. Okay, so yeah, you will just get this GIF. You can just copy the image. You can just copy about the image and just paste it. Okay, you can just copy the address of image and you can just paste it right down here. Go to image, choose, and then link to image, and then you can put it. Okay, and you have to add here and button if you want, then, and if you don't want, then you can skip it also. Okay, so it's not necessary to put this button. So log out button. Okay, so इसकी कोडिंग जो है बहुत सिंपल है लॉग आउट बटन की, as everyone knows. Okay, so see, now we are just going to do the very interesting part, which is coding. So पहले तो मेरे स्क्रीन वन का ये जो एलिमेंट है इसे हाइड करना होगा. I will just hide the label one. Just pay attention at the IDs of it. Otherwise, you will get so much confused. So see, on event, when my this button. Oh, I have just done a mistake. I just not put it the button of login. Okay, so please put the button of login. Otherwise, you will be not gotten login. Okay, so just put it. I just forgot it about that. Okay, and just give it size. Yeah, so now we can just continue. So now if my button, yeah, button 2 is pressed, then what should be happen? Just go to controls and select the if block, and just go to math, select the equality operator, and after that see if getted the text, if it's getting the text from my text input 1, which is only Shubhangi, you can just put your name as my name is Shubhangi and put your name in the double quotes, otherwise it will throw out an error. Okay, and after that just take one more if condition of for the password one, and just go to maths and select the equality operator, and then just go to the UI controls and select the get text and just put it yeah, if get text from my text input 2 is equals by, or just put it in the double quotes, this is Shubhangi at the rate 1234. Then at last also you have to put the double quotes, otherwise as you have seen here some errors were showing, so some glitches will be shown, that's why. And just set a screen by screen 2, and if everything is okay, then just set a screen by my screen 2, and if we are putting anything else, just click on this plus and you will get the else one. Then just set a screen by, sorry, show the element. Okay, then just show the element of our, yeah, label one. Okay, and after that just take the on event for the logout button. So see, on event, if my I just need to see its ID, button 1 is clicked, then just set a screen by screen 1. So now let's run it and see if my code is working. Oh, what I did, Shubhangi, no, I'm okay. So there is some problem, once again. So I'm just going to copy the name. Otherwise, I don't know, if I write it the wrong name, then it will be not open. So just put it like this way. Let's click on the login. Yeah, so you can see, and if we are clicking at logout, we just visit this page. So this was the video of the login screen using the if look, and very simple code it was. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel.